Good morning, everybody. That's the last video of this year. So I start with S&P 500. I've been shorting it for a long time, trying to catch the next move down, which I think will be important. I'm still looking for a 20-25% correction on the S&P. So that's the chart I posted yesterday. I said that if we could get a close under this blue trend line, that would be great. We would post a fails breakout on this one, and that's what happened yesterday. We are now struggling again under this trend line, and we have some levels that I posted yesterday too. If we look at them, we have this chart that was posted yesterday with 1, 2, 3. That was the level I called to be short. And we see that we stopped right to the pip on this level at 4,811. That was yesterday. And we called the first short here right to the pip again at 4,796. Then we broke through it. We broke the trend line. We posted a phase breakout here, touched this 4,811 level. And then we break and close again under the trend line. This morning, you see we back tested this trend line once, twice now. We are struggling right there. If we look real inside, you can see it there. So we are struggling. I have added some shorts here. I'm still holding shorts from this top here because I expect a deeper move down. So I banked some in this area. And now we are above this 1-72 extension. We need to come back under this one to would see again this 4,756 level. That would be the first area of interest where we would come back. And also, of course, we would have this the previous high on the big where is it? Sorry, on that big ABC at 4,752. So that would be really a very important place to look at when we would come back here. So now we are struggling here. So let's come back. We are struggling here. I added back some shorts here. That's even if you're not yet short, can be a good place to get short with a very controlled stop. Which I don't, I would like that not to happen, but if we would break again higher, take those high, the next very important level are 4,825.3, and then this area here from 4,840 to 4,844, with a very important level here at 4,841. Okay, so that's what we have. We are in end of year, so it's a very hard trading period. We have a lot of overshooting moves, thin market, so the people are playing, the big money players are playing with the market for cheap now. The next very, very big level is this one at 4,917 or 18, let's say. But I would be very, very surprised we would see that this year. But that's all the level I have here. You can note them. This area very important. This one too. This one we already touched it. So if we would come back, we could or post double top here or break and go to the next level. But for now, looking at what happened, the price action, the big bearish setup we had, and we can still build it again and post an even bigger bearish setup to those levels. But for now, I'm looking for a dip from that move, from that trend line as soon as we keep holding it, which is the case for now. So that's what we have for now. You have all the levels if you want to get short, and I'm looking for a deeper move, as I said, on this one. Concerning EURUSD and DXY, so it's very important because we are now moving with DXY. If we look at DXY, we are breaking up a little bit. So we are breaking up the 50%. We could never really close under this 50%. We are breaking up, as I was expecting, a little bit of push. So we could push again and go back to revisit this double top area and post either a triple top or go up to the 94.045, which is the 38.2 we have been waiting for a long time now. So we could run stop above here or a little bit higher if we go there inside the end of year moves. That would surprise me again, but this is where I think we could see DXY going with the thin market we have. So at the same time, that will push a little bit the Euro USD lower if we go on this move. What I like for now is that we have been closing and opening, closing. If you see those three last candles, they are the first since a long time where we see them closing under this red ribbon, which is the 2021 EMAs, together here with the 200, together here with this 2021 4-hour. So we have here a conjunction, a confluence of EMAs that was really strong. We are now bouncing from it, but the fact we close several times under it is telling us something about the further move. So I'm still expecting much bigger correction on the DXY and even break the actual lows. As we know, we are looking for a much deeper move at 87 and then 83 or 80 area. So that's what we already spoke. First important area to retest will be this area here with this ABC level we have there, which is the 50% ABC. So we would need to break that ABC together with the past trend line. That will be a very important moment when we will get there on the back test of this area. But we are not there yet. So first, we could expect a little bit of push higher. Two options, or we take the highs and flush some stops here, or we just go a little bit and then come back and break lower, which is what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for DXY lower and stock lower. So that's a little bit, that could be surprising, but in the end of year, that would be a very good scenario because everybody is expecting stock to be up when DXY is going lower, and that would not be the case. Like usually, market would spread some confusion. So now let's go to the Euro USD because, as you know, I'm trading that one a lot. So this trend, this chart is showing what happened. We have been seeing, if we look at the weekly chart, we have been seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that the 6 weekly candle with a lot of wicks. So you see we are inside a consolidation before the next move up. We are looking for 120 and then 128.50 as target on this move with a big monthly or multi-month ABC up. So now we have been consolidating. We tagged to the PIP, you see here, really to the PIP, the 61.8 fib that we have here, very important fib. And as I said, if we flush stops, which is not sure because we could very well just fly from here. And that's why I try to add long USD, Euro USD, sorry, short USD, long Euro USD whenever I can. But if we would flush, and only if, we would first have a very important area to break here. If you look at this area where we have been consolidating a lot in the last weeks and days, you can see there, you see those spikes. Price has been rocketing from there twice already. So we are keeping the lows here. Here, same thing, two options. We just can fly from there, which is what I expect, and or inside end of your craziness, we could see a crazy move down or test back this area and really bounce hardly from it, or flush the stops here. Well, three options. We bounce from there, from here on the double top on the 61.8, or just flush them very fast up to this 2360 extension and then fly. So anyway, for me, EURUSD is on the upside with a long move that we can expect over 1,000 pips. And that's why I am long, even if there is a potential of 120 pips flush, but that's nothing compared to the 1,000 pips we have on the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for the end of year. We have the levels here. I have posted all the charts in the chat room we have and on Twitter. And that's what I wanted to share with you before the end of year for the last video I'm doing now with you. Of course, I am still looking here. Sorry. I'm still looking here. I posted this chart. Well, it's not there. Sorry, it's on the other. It's on this one. Let's look here. One. Well, I posted this chart yesterday. I'm looking for a move up, a really nice move up on the Euro GBP. Where is my chart, by the way? That's very weird. I can't find it. Anyway, I have posted it in Twitter. You can find it there. And for me, the Euro GBP has a great potential of 150, 200 pips bounce. We already went long yesterday. I am still long from 0.8440, and we had another level that I posted, which is around 83.94, something like this. You can find it on Twitter. And concerning USD CAD, same thing. I'm still looking for a really important move on the downside. We have been sorry. We have been looking at this move for a long time, and that's what I'm expecting to happen. And I already posted those one again a few times ago. So I wish you a nice end of year, and we speak each other next year.